Hi guys, I know I've been scarce today, but I'm back. So today the MK had a court case against CBC. So MK took CBC to court for them because they were using the name GNU. And MK believes that the term GNU is misleading because it's not a GNU, it's a coalition between ANC and the DA. And as we all heard Helen Zille when she was saying, Ubana, Ramaphosa knew, Ramaphosa said if he would call it a coalition, then some of the people in the ANC wouldn't be happy. And obviously the people in the country in general would not be happy. So he had to use some name to uvala abantu amehlo. He had to use some name, which he used the GNU. But obviously, as you see, Nangoku, the people that we talk about, it's the DA and the ANC. Zange, you've never heard Kutwa EUDM is not happy with the decision taken by Ramaphosa. You've never heard the PA is complaining. Nothing. The only people that are fighting and complaining is the DA. So really, this government is between the DA and the ANC. However, my question is it worth it for MK to take a CBC to court? Is it worth it? Like, if the CBC starts calling the GNU, start calling it a coalition and not a GNU, is it going to change something? How is it going to help South Africans? Or maybe are they thinking it's going to change something when it comes to voting? Maybe they feel like people are being misled because a lot of people watch TV. Now, says Lalin, people watch SABC. So it's a bigger platform. It reaches to a wider audience. But is it going to make a difference if they call it a GNU or coalition? Is it going to make it? I'm asking. Anyway, let me attach the clip for Udal. A lot of people are complaining, I must stop using my language. Because I'm not using Xhosa, but in between, there are just certain things I can't express in English. I have to include here and there. It's Xhosa. Let me attach the clip for Udal Nimve while he was trying to explain. Let me know in the comment section if you think this fight is worth it. If MK wins, then what? Or do you think it's important for a political statement? Let me know.